Question 3 is coming from binomial expansions, but find the coefficients of x cubed and x power 4 in the expansion of 3 minus ax to the power of 5, where a is a constant. Give your answers in terms of a. Okay, so using the binomial expansions, I'm not going to expand each and everything here because that one contains 6 terms. I just need the term that ends in x power 3 and then the one that ends in x power 4. So term in x power 3 is going to be, to get, of course, the coefficient of this term, we say this 5 here combination, we don't know combination what, okay? Then the 2 terms here, we are having a 3, and then the other one is a negative ax. Please take this sign together with the term. When you forget it, you go. Now, these terms here are going to move like this. The first one here begins with power 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1, then 0. And then this second one here begins with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I'm supposed to pick a pair so that when I put it here, then the x ends in x to the power of what? 3. Automatically, this one will be a 3 here, okay? So that means this one will be the 2 here. Remember, these 2, when we add them, they give us this n given here. So now the power that is on this second term here is always the one that we put in the combination here. So that means here we shall have 5 combination 3. Okay, so 5 combination 3 is actually 10. Then 3 squared is 9. And then all the power of a negative is always a negative. So we shall have negative a cubed, then times x cubed. So meaning the coefficient of x here to the power of 3 is going to be negative 90 a cubed. Okay, so I can conclude and say the coefficient of x to the power of 3 here is going to be equal to negative 90 a cubed. Okay, then the same thing that I'm going to do for the term that ends in x power 4. Okay, it's the same thing that I'm going to do here. So term in x power 4, I'm going to remove these ones here. Okay, remove everything here. Put here x power 4 and whatever we get at the end of it all. So what is it going to be? Now, here we have, of course, this one will be 4, and then this one will be 1. Then the 4 here is the one that we are supposed to put down here. 5 combination 4 is a 5. Then 3 power 1 is, of course, 3. Even power of a negative is a positive. So we shall have here a to the power of 4. Okay, so times a to the power of 4, then times x to the power of 4. So here we shall have x to the power of 4, and then this one is 15. So we have 15 a power 4, and therefore the coefficient of x to the power of 4 is going to be 15 a to the power of 4. As simple as that. Then part B, we are told that given that the coefficient of x to the power of 4 in this expansion is 240, find a positive value of a. Now, in here, for us to get the term in x power 4 for ax here plus 7, and then 3 minus ax to the power of 5, we shall have this ax. Remember, it is supposed to multiply with everything in here, and these ones are 6 terms, but we are not interested in all of them. We are interested in the terms that are going to multiply such that they end in x to the power of 4. So this ax here has to multiply with the term here that ends in x power 3, right? Okay, and then the 7 here will multiply with the term that ends in x power 4, which terms we have actually gotten up here. You see the term in x power 3 is already here. So that means we shall have ax here to multiply with the term in x power 3 here we have gotten it up here as negative 90. Negative 90 a cubed x cubed. Then we have this 7 here. We'll multiply with the term in x power 4. So that is 15a power 4, then x power 4. Okay, so meaning we shall have negative 90 a to the power of 4, and then plus 7 times 15. 7 times 15, we have 105. So I'll write here 105 a to the power of 4, and then the whole of this ends in x to the power of what? 4. 105 minus 90, of course that one will give us a 15. So we shall have 15a to the power of 4, then x power 4. Now the coefficient of x power 4 here is automatically this one. So this is the one that we are supposed to equate to 240. So therefore 15a to the power of 4 is equal to 240. So meaning a is going to be equal to the fourth root of 240 out of 15. And since this one is an even power, then we can have plus or minus. But then they told us that we are supposed to get the positive value of a. So what do we get here? The fourth root, that is the fourth root there of 240, then out of 15. That one gives us a 2. So a is positive 2, as simple as that.